Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down the complete pre-market analysis for Nifty and also look at the important support and resistance zones for Wednesday's session. We'll understand how Nifty is positioned, what the levels indicate, what could be the possible opening sentiment, and how you can plan your intraday trades more confidently. So make sure you watch till the end. Market context. Let's begin with the broader view. Nifty has closed around 25,838, slightly negative for the day. The last few sessions have shown a mix of consolidation and intraday volatility. This usually indicates that the market is waiting for a trigger, either from global cues, data announcements, or sector rotations. For tomorrow, based on the chart setup and the price action near the middle of the support-resistance cluster, the market sentiment is likely to remain neutral to slightly negative unless a major directional breakout occurs in the first half. Now let's go to the most important part, the exact zones where Nifty may react tomorrow. Resistance levels. Based on our system-generated support resistance zones, here are the resistance levels for tomorrow. R1:25 898, R2:25 968, R3 26,053, R4 26,111, R5:26 169, R6:26 227. Now let's break these down in simple language. R1 R2 zone. Immediate supply. This is the nearest barrier. If Nifty opens flat or slightly positive, this zone is where the first intraday selling pressure may appear. A clean breakout above R1 R2 could give Nifty momentum toward the next zone. R3 R4 zone. Trend decision zone. If Nifty reaches here, it suggests intraday strength. Crossing R4 convincingly could shift sentiment from neutral to bullish. R5 R6 zone. Overextended levels. These are higher level resistances and will only come into play if the market sees strong buying or a gap up opening. Use these levels to plan short scalps from the resistance edges. Breakout trades if candle closes strongly above R1 or R2 support levels. Now let's look at the downside protection zones, the support levels for tomorrow. S1 25,782, S2:25 724, S3:25 666, S4:25 608, S5:25 550, S6:25 492. S1 S2 zone. Immediate demand. This is the nearest buying zone. If Nifty opens weak, this is where demand typically comes back. S3 S4 zone. Risky but strong support. This area often creates bounce trades if broader sentiment doesn't collapse. S5 S6 zone. Last line of defense. If these levels break, the market can turn decisively bearish for the day. Use these supports for buy on deep opportunities. Reversal trades with tight stop loss. Identifying bearish breakdowns. What to expect tomorrow, based on the closing structure and the positions of major levels. Possible scenarios, flat or slightly negative opening. This is the highest probability because Nifty is stuck between mid zones. Watch S1 immediately after opening. Upside attempt fails at R1, R2. If Nifty opens flat and moves up, it may face supply around 25,898. 25,968. Breakdown below S1 momentum selling. If Nifty cracks 25,782 with strong candles, S2 and S the 3rd of May come quickly. Intraday trader cues. Avoid aggressive trades in first 10 to 15 minutes. Follow candle confirmation, not prediction. Mark R1, R2 and S1, S2, price will react sharply here. Trading plan. Bullish plan. Buy only above R1 after a strong close. Targets, R2 R3. Stop loss below breakout candle low. Bearish plan. Sell below S1 with confirmation. Targets, S2 S3. Keep SL above breakdown candle high. Time zones to watch. First 30 minutes, volatility. 12 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Consolidation. दोपहर के 2:30 बजे onwards, trend resumption or reversal. Final conclusion. So that's your complete Nifty pre-market analysis based on tomorrow's support and resistance zones. These levels will give you a clear roadmap for both intraday trading and market direction. If you found this analysis useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with fellow traders.